This is Amma flavors. One more dish, yummy and different rice. You need the ingredients: rice, amla, peanuts, oil, salt, turmeric, red chili 2, and urad dal, chana dal, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, little fresh coconut, green chili, little lime and curry leaves. First wash rice, add water and turmeric little and little oil and cook well and keep it for cool. When we cook rice, cool like this, and we will make now tempering. I am adding oil. First add peanuts. Now I am adding all this. Now I am adding cut green chilies and curry leaves. Fry until light brown like this. Now add grated amla and just fry 1-2 minutes. 1 minute is enough. Now I am adding salt and turmeric. After adding turmeric and salt, mix well all. Cook few seconds. Now I am adding coconut, grated coconut, and turn off the gas. Amla mix. Add into rice and mix well. Check salt. Add lime juice and mix well. Check salt. Enjoy the taste. Now ready, yummy amla rice. It is very tasty. Please try and subscribe my Amma Flavors channel and like. Thank you.